Hi, this is Jeremy here from Commit Fitness. Today I'm going to show you how to perform a band lunge. To perform this exercise, you want to place the band directly underneath your foot. From here, you want to make sure that the band is quite tight with your hands directly in front of your front foot. From here, you want to be in a normal lunge position. And from here, you want to come down. And then as you extend, you're bringing the band up with you. If it needs to be tighter, grab it a bit lower with your hands so it's always tight at all positions. What this does is that it now works both your legs in equal proportion as opposed to just the back leg taking the full weight on a normal lunge. And then of course you do the other side.